Hi, my name is Suheri Torres, and I'm going to be speaking today about Sir Ken Robinson's video on creativity. In the video, Do Schools Kill Creativity? He goes over different topics like how school systems are designed to kill creativity, kids' natural creativity, and how it disappears as we become older. He goes over the fact that public school systems nowadays are designed to operate as businesses because students are normally taught to solve problems but not to think outside the box. This type of teaching often forces the students to think a certain way and not to be creative while doing schoolwork or any type of work. In a part of the video, he gives us the example of how when we were kids, we were not afraid of telling people what we think and being wrong. We just spoke our mind. But later, as we grow up and we become adults, we tend to be afraid of being wrong. And in the process, I think we kill any creative or original idea we might have. During my bachelor's in preschool and elementary education, I took a class like 2 semesters ago where the professor asked us to define what was creativity for us. Well, creativity for me is the ability to develop, create, invent, and produce new and original ideas that help us with our problem solving skills, which is actually really similar to Robinson's definition of creativity, since he defines it as the process of having original ideas that have value. Like Robinson said in a part of the video, creativity is as important as literacy. So, why do current school systems put subjects like math, science, and languages as the important ones and they do not include creativity? Creativity is such an essential skill that many of us lack, including me. I have to be honest. You can ask us any question, any math problem, or any science theory, and the possibility of us knowing the answer is really high. But ask us a riddle or any type of question that actually requires to think outside the box, and the chances are that only a few people can answer it. So why does this happen? Well, this occurs because people normally think in a convergent way and not the divergent way. By convergent, I mean that people only focus on giving the correct answer. So you may be asking, what is divergent then? Well, divergent thinking is the process used to generate creative ideas by exploring many possible solutions, not just one. So how can we achieve this way of thinking? Well, I think we just have to be open-minded and we cannot be afraid of showing people our creativity. So answering the question, do schools kill creativity? In my opinion, yes, they do. As a teacher, I want to be different. I want to promote creativity. But you may be asking yourself, how would she do that? Because I can say that, and when I go to the classroom, I can do something completely different. Well, I'll tell you right now, I will let them make mistakes. I will let them investigate. I will let them paint without giving them like an actual example so they can use their creativity. I always hear the teachers say or telling the kids, oh, paint, draw, or whatever they're doing with this exact colors. Like, why can't the sun be green, be blue? Why does it always have to be yellow? Why? Like, just why? Why does even creativity need standards? I'll let you guys with that question. This was my reaction and response to Sir Ken Robinson's video on creativity. And I really hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much.